If you need to edit WordPress files directly from cPanel on Namecheap hosting, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. This is a very useful skill when you want to make quick changes to your website files without installing extra plugins or using FTP. Whether you need to update a theme file, fix a small code issue, or edit a page file, doing it from cPanel is simple once you know where to click. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting plans are shown. Find the hosting plan connected to the WordPress website you want to edit. Next to that hosting plan, you'll see a Go to cPanel button. Click that to open your hosting control panel. Now that you're inside cPanel, look for the Files section. In that area, click on File Manager. File Manager is where you can browse all of the folders and files on your hosting account. This is the main tool you'll use to access your WordPress installation files directly from the browser. Once File Manager opens, you'll usually start in a default directory. But what you want is the public_HTML folder. This is the main folder for your website files. Open the public_HTML folder to continue. If your WordPress site is installed in the main domain folder, you'll likely find the WordPress core files here. If your WordPress installation is in a subfolder, then open that folder instead. Inside the WordPress installation folder, look for the file you want to modify. This could be a theme file, a configuration file, or any other file you need to update. When you find the file, right-click it. From the menu that appears, choose Edit or HTML Editor, depending on the file type and the options available. After you click Edit, a code editor window will open in your browser. This is where you can safely make your changes. Take your time and be careful, especially if you're editing a PHP, HTML, or configuration file. Even a small mistake in code can affect how your website works, so it's always a good idea to double-check everything before saving. Make the changes you need in the editor. You can update text, fix links, replace code, or add new content depending on the file you opened. Once your edits are complete, look for the Save Changes button and click it. That will write the updated version of the file back to your server. After saving, you can refresh your website in the browser and check to make sure the changes appeared correctly. If the update doesn't show right away, clear your cache or refresh the page again. And if something doesn't look right, you can always go back into File Manager and make another quick edit. So that's how you edit WordPress files from cPanel on Namecheap hosting. It's fast, convenient, and a great way to manage your site when you need direct access to your files. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next WordPress how-to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.